Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send a newsletter with Substack. First, log into your Substack account. Then from here, on the left panel, click on the Create button, then choose Post. This will open the editor where you can create your newsletter issue. Now, you can start by adding a title for your newsletter, then start writing your content. You can format your text with bold, italics, or headings, and you can also add images, link, or even embed a video to make your newsletter more engaging. Once you're happy with your draft, it's time to get it ready to send. So on the right top corner, click on Continue. Then in here, you can choose an audience for your newsletter, and you can also choose on comments to allow from. You can also add tags so that it will be easier to find your newsletter or for your post to be organized. Now, you can go and choose to send it via email, or you can unchoose it or toggle it off so that it will be sent publicly. Now you can also choose to schedule it so you'll have a specific time for your newsletter to go out automatically. You can now go ahead and click on Send to Everyone on the lower right corner. Here, you can go and add a subscribe button so that your reader will be able to subscribe on your newsletter. Then, click again on Continue, and now send it to everyone. Now, you'll have your newsletter sent to your subscribers. A newsletter is a type of email you send to your subscribers that usually includes your writing, updates, ideas, or any content you want to share on a regular basis. And that's just basically it. That's how you send newsletters with Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.